Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. Today's topic is cell wall that comes under the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. Subject is Science and Standard 9. What is cell wall? Plant cells have a cell wall that surrounds the plasma membrane. That is, cell wall is a structure that is present outside the plasma membrane only in the plant cells. It's absent in animals. It is an outer, rigid, protective and supportive covering of the plant cells. The cell wall is composed of cellulose. And what is cellulose? It is a complex substance that provides structural strength to the plant. You can see the less green portion is the plasma membrane, and outside it, it's the cell wall, which is the darker green portion. Next is a topic known as plasmolysis. So what is plasmolysis? When a living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is a shrinkage or contraction of the cell contents away from the cell wall, and this process is called plasmolysis. So this is the normal cell, but the outer portion is the cell wall, and this is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. And what happens in a plasmolyzed cell? The cell wall remains intact, but the cell contents move away from the cell wall. And it is the living cells that are able to absorb water by osmosis. That is, the dead cells are incapable of absorbing water by osmosis. Next is the functions of cell wall. So the cell wall provides a definite shape and rigidity to the cell, as it's the outermost layer. It protects the cell membrane and internal structures from attack of pathogens and mechanical injury. Pathogens are harmful substances that can cause diseases in our body. Cell walls permit the cell to withstand very dilute or hypotonic external media without bursting. And it's because of the cell walls that the cells can withstand much greater changes in the surrounding medium than the animal cells. Because animal cells lack cell wall, what happens? It can be destroyed easily than this cells which has cell walls in it. Thank you.